Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. I want us to quickly install Primavera P6 Professional on our systems, and this is pretty a simple step for us to follow and to have it well installed in our systems. For all our subsequent training will be done on the P6 platform. So quickly, what do? See the link in the description, and then you click it immediately. It will take you to the download, and this is how it looks like. Once you get there, what you have to do is to click on the download. You click on the download and you have this drop down window showing. You don't have to sign in. All you need to do is to click or continue with download only. You have that clicked. It takes you boom to the download. You can see that P6 version is already downloading here. You wait for it, and which it will take some few minutes or seconds to have it downloaded to your systems. Here it's downloaded straight into my system. As you can see here, P6 version 24 is showing. Then when you get to the download, you right click it and then you say extract all. And as soon as it's extracted, and this is the download, you see it's showing as P6 version. You open the folder that is being downloaded, then you have this P6 logo showing on red. And what do? You just go on to right click and you say run as administrator, and that is it. The system is asking for your permission for changes. You say yes, then you wait for it. So you highlight typical, which is showing, and you say okay. And it's requesting that we install, and you say install. You allow it to install carefully into your system. It doesn't take time. Within a few seconds, it's done. Now it's done. You go on to highlight run database configuration, which is already highlighted, and you say okay. And this brings you to this window. Everything here is bare. So you click add. You come down to the drive type. Click the drop down arrow that is showing here and come down to P6 Professional Standalone SQLite, and this is what you have. So you come down to highlight add a new standalone database and connection, and you say next. Then you'll be requested to enter your password. For the sake of this training, I may want us to use admin, same with the login name. Admin, all in lowercase. You come to the confirm password and you say admin. If you have any other password that you feel will be easier for you to memorize, it's still okay. Then you say next. And when you say next, what is left is just for you to ensure that the load sample data and the use ADONET data access is already highlighted, and you move on to say save. That alias is saved successfully, and you said okay, and you go on to cancel it off. This means that Primavera P6 is already saved in your system. So you go on to want to search for where it is, so you can bring it to where you can easily locate it and use it. So I say let's search for P6. P6. Look at what is showing here. And once you have that, to search for P6 Professional. P6 Professional in your drop down window is already showing on my system as soon as I typed in P6. And you see, so for me now, I may want to say be pinned on the taskbar. So I pin it to the taskbar. See down is showing here. You may leave it and we want to log into the P6 Professional on your system. So let's go on to say admin, which was our login name, all in lowercase. Then the password was still admin. Say connect and wait for it to carefully open. It's loading. Okay, so when you're logging in at the first time, it will request that you have the industry being selected. So you say, okay. Right, wow, this is the dashboard. Primavera is launched. Congratulations. Congratulations. So you quickly come to admin. Yeah, you come to admin and you say admin preference. All right, when you hit admin preference, it brings you down. It gives you this window, and you quite quietly come down to this industry, and click the industry. You can see that we have about four industries showing: engineering and construction. We also have government, aerospace and defense. We have high technology, manufacturing and others. We have utilities and oil and gas. So for the sake of this training, we're going to be using engineering and construction. So we will highlight it. And once that has been highlighted, you say close. So okay. Now this is highlighted. Engineering and construction, you can see that it's showing on this top, which is what we have. So your Primavera is being installed. So you may close it and get ready for the next training. Thank you and see you in the next class.